In this video, you are going to see the unboxing and the things we get inside a laptop cooler from the brand called KLIM. Previously, I reviewed some of the products from this brand and you can check those videos if you want to see their performance. You can see a variety of products listed by this brand on Amazon. After watching this video, you can check the link in the description box to find more. The exact model of this one is KLIM Turbofrost Max. This is an RGB laptop cooler. When compared to the previous model, they have improved the design for better laptop cooling. I'll definitely check that in the coming days and update you with a full review. Without proper testing, I can't say anything right now. Inside the box, we get some accessories along with the cooling pad itself. First, let's unwrap and take a look at the cooling pad. The design has improved a lot compared to the previous model. I really like this big circular section at the center, which is mainly responsible for cooling. This foam is removable like this. It attaches using magnets. Next, coming to the accessories, we get a cylindrical pin charger to power this cooler. Even without that, you can directly connect it to your laptop using a Type-C cable. This is a 35-watt output charger. Next, we get more accessories which include a booklet, an extra filter for the backside air intake port, some brand stickers, story papers, a Type-C to Type-A cable, and two height adjustable pins that can be added or removed at the bottom of the cooling pad. You can see here that there are three cutouts on both sides for this. You simply place the pins and push them down or pull them up depending on the height adjustment you want. Yeah, that's all the things we get inside the box. Coming to the overview, on the front, we get a few buttons to control the fan speed and RGB lights. On the back, there is a stand to change the elevation according to your preference. Also, we get three Type-A ports, one Type-C port and a charging port on the back side. And one more thing, you can even connect this cooling pad to a power bank if you want. I have connected it to a power bank now, and this is how it looks while it's running. There is a display near the buttons that shows information about how much RPM the fans are currently running at. The maximum is 1800 RPM only. I'll check this with laptops that have built-in fans and also with laptops that don't. I mainly focus on exporting videos, which takes a lot of CPU and GPU power. If you want me to test anything specific, you can let me know in the comments. So yeah, that's the unboxing and the contents inside the KLIM Turbofrost laptop cooler. Check the description box for more related videos along with the link to this product and others. Thanks for staying and watching till now. Like and share this video with your friends who you think might find this video useful. Subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you soon again in another video.